First up, I'm going to apply Danessa Myricks Colourfix in Freedom, and I'm going to blend that into the lid as a transition base. Now I'm going to go in with NYX Fuchsia cream colour and apply that onto the lid and blend it in with that pink. Now I'm going to blend Dollipop by Sugarpill in between these two colours as a nice transition pink. And I'm going to pat Love Plus by Sugarpill onto the lid. Blend those two colours together so they look all smoky and seamless. I'm now going to highlight my face and eyes using the Arcade Glam Love You So Mochi palette by NYX. I'm going to tap this on with my finger and then use brushes to reinforce that glow. Now I'm going to contour using Tarte's Park Avenue Princess bronzer and line my waterline using NYX Disco Rage liner. Now for some Tin Man realness, I'm going to pat on Axolotl pigment by Illamasqua onto these highlighted areas for extra glow. Because the best way to get your Valentine's attention is to just glow like an angel from outer space. Now I'm sticking on a heart-shaped gem using Lash Glue. If you can't find these, then just draw it on with concealer. Now I'm drawing on subtle flicks using Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D Beauty. This just helps to make the lashes look a bit more incorporated into the look. Now I'm going to use Urban Decay's Troublemaker mascara. I always like to apply mascara before using false lashes. Now I'm going to customise my Rouge Rogue lashes by just snipping the ends off. After you've applied your top lashes, keep those little bits that we cut off and use them as lower lashes. Dab Backstage Bambi by Kat Von D Beauty onto your inner lips and blend out with your finger. Follow that with a little bit of Black Moon's Genie. Then apply Danessa Myricks Kaleidoscope glaze all over the lips. To finish off the look, I straightened my hair and then curled little random bits of hair and backcombed it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me any requests that you have for future videos and have a wonderful Valentine's Day.